The camera's flashing red, so we haven't got long, but it was amazing.
It was, yeah, it was incredible. Welcome back.
So today we're up nice and early, about 6:30 for a river cruise.
Got back in time. It was raining when we were on the cruise, and now it's just got a lot worse. We saw a few birds and a few monkeys as well, but unfortunately we didn't get to see any orangutans or elephants. So this afternoon we've actually got some spare time. We can basically do what we want, but as you can see, it's raining pretty heavy at the moment.
So we'll just wait and see if the rain dies off and maybe go for a walk.
I really don't feel like I'm in the middle of a rainforest. Jungle. Jacuzzi. So we only really made it to the pool. We didn't get a chance to film yesterday about the orangutan centre, so we thought we'd do that now and sort of fill everyone in. If you haven't seen that, check out the previous video. It's all about the orangutan centre and the great work they do. So now we're just going to go and have a look around. Found some hammocks and chill for a bit. We're now going to head back to the room and grab our bits for our last river cruise, and fingers crossed we see elephants and orangutans this time. So we just got back.
The camera's flashing red, so we haven't got long, but it was amazing.
It was, yeah, it was incredible.
Go to Borneo.